what I'm doing here now is quite a matter of interdisciplinary matter. Have you thought about the best way for you to be guided to be flexible academically? The flexibility in your study is indispensable for you to pursue the essence and the truth in science. One of the matters I'd like you to think very much carefully shall be how you go forth according to interdisciplinary study. Not only one field, but also other related fields. Either to be flexible, either to be perspicacious enough for you to open your intellectual curiosity into necessary scientific fields. Now, one of my disciples is planning to publish Anglo-Saxon American law written by me. It is pretty fundamental. In addition, essential. Why? Because Anglo-Saxon American law has been developed based upon the experience of empiricism elaborated by distinguished experts. I am a being who is all the time bleeding in the spirit of empiricism. Every day, what I'm doing here is how I give my disciples necessary pieces of guidance. People learn by experience. I teach science here according to the spirit of empiricism. As long as you're breathing here, as a being who wishes to inherit my scientific blood, I'd like you to focus upon the importance of empiricism. The lecture shall be finished now.